What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Zeblaze Btalk 2 Lite. Now, this kind of watch, it's a rounded, but last time we talked about the Zeblaze Btalk Lite, which it was a square version, which it was really amazing, and it was packed with a good UI, and it was a good watch, which it's really fluidy and it gets you things over there, which it's a really legitimate stuff. But today we're having the Zeblaze Btalk 2 Lite, which it's a rounded watch and it's gonna be really cool. So enough of me talking, let's get started through the video of today. Woo, there we go. So as you can see, guys, this is our bad boy here, the Zeblaze Btalk 2 Lite. Now it's a rounded. We're gonna unbox this kind of bad boy because this kind of bad boy, which something which is so great, it has a voice calling and it has a multiple sport mode and it has a 24 hours health management. That means it's a heart rate sensor and it has an ultra long battery life, which is really amazing on this kind of bad boy. And another kind of stuff, it's really rocking greatly. I like the way they pack their stuff. Usually sometimes these kind of watches, you might be asking yourself, dang, what type of this watch it is it good, is it what? But this Zeblaze, they surprised me through, first of all, their packaging, and you know that this stuff is really legitimate. It's really cool. It's just something which you just have to have it, and it's a budget smartwatch. It doesn't break into your bank account. It's just something which it's so budget. Enough of me talking, let's get started toward unboxing this bad boy and see what's packed inside. So let's do it. Our bad boy, and as you can see, we're gonna just unbox it right now and see just what's packed inside. So let us just do that, and it's really good. So what's in here? Let us just see what's inside this kind of bad boy. Woo! There we go. Nothing else is left on the box. You can see, guys, first thing first, we are having your charger in here. So this is your charger, which this kind of charger, it's a magnetic charger, which usually I've seen a lot of people losing this charger, so be careful to not lose it. Another kind of stuff, you're having the manual in here. The manual looks slick. I like the way they coated it, really amazing. And this is your manual. So yeah, last but not least, our bad boy in the house. And as you can see, guys, there we go. This feels really cool. It's a rounded watch, as you can see. The wristbands, the rubber material, which it's really impressive. And at the back here, you can see there's a sensor, which is your heart rate sensor. And on this side, it's a charging pins, which goes here, magnetic ones. So there you go. This is our watch, and I think this is the power button. We're gonna try turning it on. Well, I heard the vibration, so it's gonna be on right now. So as we can see, how the watch it is. So there you go, Zeblaze. Really good. It looks really stunning. Right now we're gonna check out the user interface of the watch. To be honest, the user interface of the watch, it's really rocking great. And as you can see, it doesn't have like something like a glare or anything too much or anything at all. The watch looks really premium, to be honest. And dropping it down, you can see this is your side whereby you can tweak around the settings, quick settings, I can say. And when you just want to jump in on the setting directly, just tap on there, which is a really great thing. And on this side, you can even change the menu view if you like the list. So when you tap in here, you can see you're having the list there. But if you'd like just something like the rounded menu, you can go in here and say grid. So when you tap in here, you can see there's a grid in here, and you can roll out toward here. When you go on this side, you're going back to menu. So depending on what you really need, it comes really in handy. And on this side, you're having the exercise, and you can see the bunch of exercise, what am I saying? There's bunch of exercise in here, and you can even add your own kind of exercise toward other sports. You can see here racing, you can add it depending on what you really need. Now another kind of stuff through this kind of watch, it has a great thing, which it's all about controlling the music throughout your watch. So guys, right now we're gonna test the speaker throughout the Zeblaze Btalk 2 Lite, and this is how it sounds. Can increase the volume and decreasing the volume, which is really cool. So you can go through the player. You can see in here, you can control it. You can either add volume there, and you can even play or go next depending on you really what you really need, and it's really coming in handy. Another kind of stuff throughout here, you're having your messages, which you're gonna read messages when you allow it on the settings side, which is really cool. And another kind of stuff, you're having the heart rate sensor. So the heart rate, it's here. When you wear it, it will just start to measure throughout the sensor, which is a great thing. So I really like it, the watch, the way they kept it, really good. And another kind of stuff, it's really a little bit slim, it's not quite bigger. And on this side, they try to make it like a mass fit GTR4 style, which it's okay, which it's really dope. And another kind of stuff, you can change bunch of watch faces, which are included already in here, and you can see really cool. And to be honest, I like the way they kept the flows, and it's really amazing watch. Comes really in handy, quick to set up, not a lot of things in here, and you get your things on the go. So this is the Zeblaze Btalk 2 Lite, and it's really coming in handy, guys, and I really like the watch, the way they kept it, really great thing. So right now we're going to talk about the specification of the Zeblaze Btalk 2 Lite. Well, it has a 1.39 inch of HD display, which it's really crystal clear, and it's really looking great. And another kind of stuff, you're having the 24 hours of health heart rate monitor, which can keep track on your health, which is really great. And you're having the 100 workout modes, which come really in handy, and you're gonna be enjoying throughout these modes. Other kind of stuff, it has a Realtek chipset inside. When it comes to the battery capacity, it has 220 milliampere of battery. When it comes to the usage side, it can last you for up to 14 days. On the heavy usage, it can stay for 7 days, which is really great thing. It has a water resistant, which is an IP68. Other features which they're so interesting, it has a voice calling features, which is really great, which you can talk throughout directly on the watch, which is a really great thing. This is the Zeblaze Btalk 2 Lite. It's a really great and amazing watch, to be honest, and it comes really in handy. It's quite not breaking your bank account, as I was saying, because it's just having some good features packed in it, which is really impressive. And another kind of stuff through this kind of watch, it's just flexible and amazing, easy to set up and just on the go. You're just like done on the setup whenever you just download the DAFit app. It doesn't have too much complication. I understand it comes throughout the budget watch, but still it's a really coming in handy watch. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it on this video today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about these Zeblaze smartwatches. To be honest, they wowed me since I got the first watch. I was like, damn, how this watches works? How is this watch? Will it surprise me, or will it be like, damn, I'm regretting buying it? But I'll be honest, since I was buying it, I made a perfect choice on grabbing these watches because they have amazing features, which they're okay with me on the budget wise. Talking about the budget wise of this watch, it's really incredible. So that's what's up, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you're thinking about this watch and another kind of stuff. If you're new here, consider subscribing to a homeboy here. I'll really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.